What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another throwback video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. I got a whole lot of more content coming for you guys, but let's go ahead and get right into it for this short video. This is a 2004 Chevrolet Aveo. This Aveo had 179,000 miles on it. It was nice and clean. I'm going go ahead and show you guys the inside of it. That boy was very nice, very clean. I only paid like 800 and I think 20 something bucks for this car. I wind up selling this car for 1,800 bucks, so you know, made about a good grand off this car. It had clear emissions, the AC worked, heat worked, and everything. This car came from IAAI. So yeah, thanks guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.